G'day cutters, we're out here at SolarTripod today, out in New South Wales, and I was just walking by and I noticed some pretty beautiful double tripods up on the roof there, and I thought I'd just do a quick video just to reintroduce this product to the market. It's an old one, it's been around for a long time, probably almost 10 years. It's been supporting people in their commercial projects as well as some residential for all that time. It's currently supported still by Clenergy Structural Engineering team. The difference between the tripod and the adjustable tilts is pretty basic, really. They come pre-assembled, so they're a lot quicker to install. They can be utilised on all of the same types of roofs. You got your non-penetration, clip lock, your penetration roofs, your corrugated iron type roofs. It can work on all those roof types. Now you might ask yourself, what about the new commercial tilt system that Clenergy has just released? How does it compare to that one? Well, if you want to find out, I suggest you contact Clenergy. Contact our tech support team on tech@clenergy.com.au and ask that very question. They'll be able to give you a rundown on how the commercial tilt compares to the tripod, as well as how the tripod compares to the adjustable tilts, and what applications are best for each product. So please do get in contact, have a look, and check out the tripods today.